In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your DNS settings in GoDaddy. Whether you made a mistake in your previous setup or just want a fresh start, this guide will make it simple and stress-free. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the GoDaddy website. Once there, click the Sign In button at the top right and log into your account. If you've set up Google Sign In, that can make this step even faster. After logging in, go to the Products section. This area lists all your domains and services with GoDaddy. Scroll through your domains and click on the one you want to reset the DNS for. Then look for the DNS or Manage DNS button to open the DNS management page. On the DNS management page, you'll see all your current records listed. Before making changes, it's a good idea to review them or take a screenshot in case you need to restore anything later. Now you can start resetting your DNS. You'll see options to add new records, but this is also where you can delete or edit existing ones. If you're doing a full reset, you might remove several old records. Make sure every new entry, whether it's an A record for your website or MX records for email, is accurate. Precision is key to keeping your site running smoothly. Once you've updated your DNS settings, don't forget to save your changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet, so it might be a little while before everything is fully active. And that's it. With these steps, your domain's DNS is now reset and ready to go. And that's how you reset DNS in GoDaddy. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.